bring them out, bring them out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Come on. Bring them out, bring them out. Hey. Bring them out, bring them out. Bring them out, bring them out. Hey. Bring them out, bring them out. VIP, gonna laugh at VIP. Heard the night like dogs right on that ring.
What up? Okay.
Okay, so I think I'll go for my bowl from Viroski.
So just in case you're wondering what the bowl is, now on this show we try to be as fair as possible, right? Now I'm number 1, before is number 2. And in our bowl we have 2 numbers hidden, number 1 and number 2. So when the rappers come, they get to pick a number and they represent myself or they represent Ofowa. Now I could get into how I always win, but today I'm not going to do that, even though I do always win. And yeah, they're going to take it away. So I think they should introduce themselves first, or what you want to do.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I think they already know me.
Yes.
My name is Casmel. All right.
Yeah, so I go by the name Kojo, and I'm here to do my thing. So yeah.
Okay, so Kojo is on for the first time today, and Casmel has been on 3 times a row plus today. So we are going to see if Kojo is going to dethrone Casmel. Of course, DJ Viroski is our the judge, and there are 3 segments. So the first segment, they are just getting themselves ready for the whole thing. The second one is a real battle, so they can come at each other. We support violence, but not violence, in DJ Viroski's voice. And then the last one, they get to do their own thing and blow our minds off. So if you're ready, guys, you're going to pick from the bowl. What number you pick is who you're going to represent. Please. Whoever picks number 2 should do me proud. Thank you.
But Viroski, while they're picking the numbers, what are you looking for in today's segment?
I think I want to see what Kojo, because I mean Casmel already knows the rules. I want to see what Kojo has, the style, the punchlines, the wordplay, and all that. So Kojo, if I spawn there,
Kojo, what are you representing?
I'm from Dantaman.
Oh, okay.
DC.
Casmel, for those who don't know, which should I representing again?
Swedro.
Okay, simple. So which numbers did you guys pick? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Yeah, number 1, you know, I mean, I'm a reigning champion, so...
But 2. Okay, that's fine. Works for me.
Because I appreciate you, but today... today we're going to do our thing.
Thank you. Let me drop this and then I'll be right back.
So yes, like we said in previous episodes, guys, what we're going to be doing, of course, give them 3 rounds, a minute each. The first round, they come, they test the waters, we see how good they are. My boy is going to flow into stuff. Then as the show goes on, the second round, they go more at each other. But we have to be clean, no swear words, no N words. Then the third round, this beautiful lady is going to give them a word. Do you have a word today? Are you going to think of something?
I do.
Okay, so she gives them the word, and what they have to do is they have to rap with the word or along the lines of the word. So a lot of freestyling is going to go on. But I guess we've spoken enough. Viroski, you ready? Okay, so guys, take center stage, and let's go.
Round 1.
So who's starting? I think we'll go Kojo, right? Let's welcome him. All right, let's do this.
Yeah. I go by the name Kojo. Listen, from the year that I was born, yes, I'm 97, but some homie I was sit damn Charlie, this week competition, thought I told you God, not to send another Joe from heaven, but not yet too late, Papi Kojo, guess I'm a legend, fast forward 2012, I was spitting hot bars, Benesebo break and JB, not yet, Charapo class, who were thinking about past, thinking about cars, who were thinking how to make our life shine like the stars, so why they hating, tell me why they hating, brothers be climbing the stairs, why they watch us elevating, I still did my first gear, my men started celebrating, killing all these whack MCs, no hesitation. The time I started rap, I tell myself that I'll be great as Muhammad Ali. Watch your brother rise up to his apex. Rapper in orthopedic form, but you feel call them later. So no matter how they focus them my lens, they no fit gauges.
Wow, this is just the intro.
Oh, now we're cool.
It's the intro.
Like we're cool.
You cool?
We ain't sweating.
You're cool.
Okay.
All right, Casmel, let's do this.
You ready? Yeah.
Yeah. My name is Casmel. Yeah. I told them I'll be doing music, even when they doubted me. Rap until they find out they were wrong for what they said about me. Mama boost my confidence, what they said never bothered me. Benching player for the game, it's shocking how they started me. Since I'm a cast and a squad elite, I've been in my room for a couple of days. Little by little, could only play. I came in my style in so many ways. What's styling in a million a day? No be me, my passion way at the chase. Sky don't be living, man, I in the space. You them me never go feel be the same. Show me the love, they show me the hate. All the people that wanted me to feel. See me for town, they calling my name. Want to see how I've been winning my game. Getting my name, getting the fame. Seeing the pleasure and seeing the pain. So I wanted them who wanna sorry. I see myself alone in there. No.
Okay, now that was round one, of course, and this is the rap battle. We're not talking too much, we're leaving out to them. But Borowski, what do you think? First round.
Let me save it for the end of the contest.
Okay.
It's heated.
Okay.
Heated.
It's
So we're
heated,
going
right?
on to round 2.
Okay.
Round 2.
Yeah. T. Shansem no Dawson, your Dawson, T Major Mike and Pow, Yenny Nana Mecca. Rappers na Dawson, man, Wale can send me. Be it true, but then Pina Solable letter. Yeah. Okay. My name is Casmel. T. Yeah. We live in times, love is more painful than hate now. Where the people we love wish make we break down. But it be cool, cause me name there still, they no go understand me. So me get it up on the stage now. And I cannot pretend like still I know they pretend. So many fake people, tell me who to befriend. Send me your integer simpa, no go return. Give back to them. Nah, no go descend. Living like I be sin bad, but I know they sin bad. For the game I be Jesse, Lingard, style need a B, it's any PR, it is sting bad. I say yeah, style B, sting bad. We on the hat. No.
Okay. So.
Okay.
Haters in the house.
All right, let's do this. Kojo, are you ready?
Very ready.
Kill it.
I go by the name Kojo. Listen. I take my pen and I jot some bars, and that's a fact. Lately I they aim for stars, and if I miss incoming down, probably stay in the clouds. Cause in Shining Penny Mini, me Mickey Mouse, and I got to stay around. I feel a minute boss, so Shemenantie, I be flossing. Yasikania to the world, I'm assaulting. Y'all can't rise without me, I be sourcing. Describe me one word to say I be awesome. Right now, scientists for 5 figure what the worst is. Effective rapper, me deliver the saying, I me deliver it. Me you say it's a lay in coffin. Femi rap banza, come brother banana says some shit. Either way, me I go bounce back. Me nyeko covelli ba masamba, me nyeko covelli ba weak ass back no. Me the battery from say me sa zanza. Kojo.
Okay. Yenya kokovelio. Nancy Asamba.
Okay. Okay. So, I mean, what's the word going to be today for you?
Star.
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 Star,
Guys
right?
ready?
Yeah. So who wants to be a star? That person should kill it and become the star. As simple as
So
that.
it's simple. You guys have to rap in accordance to the word star or rhyme with the word star. Very, very simple. You ready? I need energy, man. I need energy. You've got fans watching, you've got new viewers watching, you're the reigning champion. You good? Okay.
Kojo, don't let that scare you. You can do this.
Yeah,
you can beat it.
got the energy. Let's go.
Final round.
Kojo.
Okay. I go by the name Kojo. Yeah. I come like Trinity, like air about to drop the bar. Who right here is a star? Bar 3, bar 1, and bar 4, bar 5 come together like an all-stand. I get do with me like I'm an organ. Yeah, superstar, this is all done. And more than this rap, I do it more than it. I'm on log it on to my all fans. Only fans with the rap bars. MX24 with the rap bars. Me and Viroski, right now too risky. Me and Jason all bars in the new sea. 2 fours to the right like too risky. To the bars, Kojo Khemi,
Firstly, shout out to.
All right, that was
I mean, he
hard.
mentioned my
that was-
name.
That was hard.
Yeah, so
That was
3 points for that. 3
Yeah.
points. He mentioned my name.
All
So
right, that's hard.
you gotta give
That's
me-
well. We like today, small shaking it or no shaking it. All right, let's do this right now.
Yeah.
Casmel, what's your name? Let's go.
Yo. Metal. I'm a star. When I talk, no talking. Always on the ground, bro. I mean, no stopping. Ring down, ding, ding, ding. Some tappy on the beat. You for no say, no flopping. Tripping in the dark, no fear. All about my circles, bro, no fear. So much pain in my heart. Yeah. Still I'll be star. It's here. Me put a bass a boom. What if you body for bidi juma? Strong bass, punchline, flow tight. In kitapuma, you play with words, make you work. One pado, but you to me muna. I'll be star. Me yes Roma. Spitting. No.
We are stars.
I have a feeling this is going to be a tough one, cuz.
Okay, Jason, what do you think?
The unfortunate thing
Okay.
for DJ Varosky
Alright.
is that now there can't be any draws.
Yeah.
Because we need a winner.
Yes.
Now I'm going to be fair. He mentioned my name. So I think we should just have another round just to see.
Why do you want another round? I mean,
Exactly.
Okay, me, I like a lot of rounds in anything I'm doing. Let me
Hey.
just put that
Jason.
out there. Like,
Behave yourself.
Anyways.
You're on air.
guys, I know the viewers watching me are going to agree with me, but it was a bit balanced, right? I mean, he had the first, he had the second, and the third was, But if Varosky agrees with me, and for if you're going to agree with me,
Okay.
you're going to agree with your baby boy.
No.
all right. Let's just wrap up right now.
Okay.
I think for the first round, it was a bit. I mean, it was a tie because Kojo introduced himself well. Casmel Fosi, I mean, just give him the chop
my
up.
home,
So, I mean, the second round, he went in hard. He gave us the Casmel we know.
Right.
But the third round, I think Kojo had it for me. I mean, Kojo had it on the third round. I think Casmel was trying to take it slow first, but here that time he caught.
Yeah.
I mean, it's unfortunate, but I mean,
Wait,
it's fortunate,
before
unfortunate.
you give,
Can the
I
judge
mean,
complete his
I think
statement?
I still have to give it to Kojo on this one. I mean, Kojo had it.
this is a democracy. If the people can't speak in a democracy,
I mean, you want another round? You think another round is fair? I mean, he has a slight. It was like a tie, but
Okay.
Kojo had
I'm going to have
the
to.
freestyle.
Yeah,
so,
Varosky is the
Even
judge.
Casmel himself agrees, right?
No matter what I do,
Right.
Varosky
mean,
is the
it's good.
judge. And I'm a nice person on certain days, and because I care for Furiwa. And
but you know, Casmel can come back, right?
yeah, he
Yeah,
can.
he can come back for Kojo. The crowd, you take him for cause this guy. Like today, he chop something. That's why
He's
he
like,
relax.
yeah. He chill.
Yeah.
Chill.
Yeah, but I mean, definitely the thing is, it's all fun and games, but when it comes to the music, we are trying to push these artists. So we're going to keep fighting for both of them. Casmel, what do you want to tell your fans, people supporting you and stuff, man?
Well, I'll tell everybody supporting me that continue doing it, and we do it as we do.
Yeah.
My name is Casmel. Fancy vibe to the world.
Yeah. And now the man Kojo in the house, the winner for today, who's going to be here next week, man. Yeah, it's all love. It's all love. It's all love. What do you want to tell your fans and your new fans, Kojo?
I want to say hello. My name is Kojo, and you see more of me soon too.
Okay.
That's a onion free
Okay.
That's well. For come back at Jamo.
Kojo, do you have anything to put out your
Yes.
social media handles? And then if you have any of your works out, where can we find them?
Okay, so I'm mostly on Instagram as Kojo Khemi, and on IG too as Kojo, Twitter too as Kojo Khemi. So you can check me out in there.
Okay.
Cass, where can we find you, man? Everyone on social media.
I already said it. My name is Casmel. I know you know. I'm making sure that you never forget.
Hey.
I am Casmel Official, IG. Casmel Official, Twitter. And Casmel Neokind, Facebook.
Alright. That's
Yeah.
nice.
It was amazing having you guys on.
So I mean Kojo gets to perform, right?
Yeah, he does.
So, I mean, this is the best place to come and do your thing. To all the upcoming rappers, hunt down DJ Varosky, hunt down Ofura, hunt down myself. Come to MX24, come and drop your music.
Yeah.
We're going to keep pushing. We have so much coming up in terms of events. When it does come to events, you're going to see these guys and all these young rappers doing their thing. But I think it's time for Kojo to do his thing, right?
Yeah. So the stage is gonna
Varosky,
be
drop
all
it.
Alright, so we have our winner for today. He goes by the name Kojo. Kojo, are you ready?
Very well.
Let's do this. Okay. 1, 2.
Alright. How was I cocoa for the morning? Go down on my knees, sleep Bible when I'm done yawning. It's your son, it's me calling. So to me, I pray for grace. So much grace, yo, marble. I'm just praying for a good day. Cheche kule. Me de me last I got to prepaid, but we dey okay. And sure, we feeling some shit make we get money. Yes, I cry, we dey okay. So at this juncture, we move. If I get something in data and I say we produce. And then me use the FL Studio and I say Pro Tools. FL I guess like you use this Pro Tools. Every down the old schedule, no news. Ya banka yada, you brothers is having no clues. So focus, my reggae can be messed with your blues. No chorus, so yeah freestyle, I'm just spitting my truth. Like an up mission possible, I'm catching a cruise. Until we feel say when ya media confused, I'm so off the ground, don't feel me fused. I'm still the brother don't choose. I mean 2-4 years if you walk in my shoes and you go do it like movie, watching scenes unfold. So many stories untold. Jai Mayen Kana Nancy Semsisio. That's a story for another day. By the fireside, we go light up, we go shitoli. Motion picture of my life. Kojo Foni presenting you a work of art. All these years in my head, I've been cooking bars into my family.